Body and design. Let's begin with the design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is built with grade 6 titanium, making it extremely durable yet lighter in weight. Apple has slimmed down the bezels even more and introduced a new curved edge design, which feels very comfortable in hand. The back has a matte finish that resists fingerprints, giving it a clean and premium look. Honestly, this is one of the most stylish and durable iPhones yet. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features a massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel with 2K resolution and a smooth 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate. Apple has taken brightness to a new level this year, reaching up to 3000 nits peak brightness, which means perfect outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight. It also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, making movies, games, and everyday use an absolute treat. Camera setup. For the cameras, Apple has made some serious upgrades. On the back, there's a triple camera setup, a 48 megapixel main sensor with a wider aperture for incredible low-light shots, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide sensor for capturing more detail in landscapes, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom for crystal clear close-ups. Low-light photography is better than ever, and for videos, you now get 8K video recording, along with Apple's cinematic mode and ProRes support. The 24 megapixel true depth front camera also delivers excellent selfies and smooth FaceTime calls. Performance and platform. Now, let's talk performance. The 17 Pro Max runs on Apple's latest A19 Pro Bionic chip, built on the advanced 3nm Plus architecture. It's faster, more power efficient, and easily handles heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and professional workloads. Alongside this, it ships with iOS 19, which brings smarter AI features, better security, and smoother user experience. You also get the latest 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and upgraded satellite connectivity for emergencies.